For some time now, the government of Ghana have been trying its possible best to improve the railway systems in Ghana, in effect, improving productivity and better movement of goods across the various regions of Ghana and its neighbors. This has been the focal point of many reportages, but what most people fail to realize is that several improvements have also been made in the aviation sector of Ghana, which is propelling the country and taking a rather positive turn with the ongoing creation and rehabilitation of airports in some regions of Ghana, promoting both domestic and international flights in and around the country, as well as the bid for a new national carrier since the demise of the Ghana Airways, which the Ashanti Airways are thought to be the preferred choice, with other potential competitors and partners coming in. So, stick to this video to the end as we look at the several aviation improvements and the overall benefits it holds for Ghana. Before we go further, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Let's get right into it. In recent times, it's no secret that the government of Ghana have been under scrutiny by some citizens of Ghana for not making adequate plans and improvements. But apparently, the government claims to have several plans in the pipeline that they deem could improve the country vastly, and one such plan is improving the aviation sector. On the unveiling of the Tamale interchange, the president of Ghana made it known that he intends to make Ghana an aviation hub in the whole of Africa, which is a pretty bold statement. But with the recent development of several airports across the country, such as the Ho Airport, Tamale Airport, Tsunami and others, as well as the search for a new flag carrier airline, it confirms that the government is indeed focusing on this exact plan. On finding an airline flag carrier for Ghana since the collapse of the Ghana Airways, it's been reported that the Ashanti Airline, which is an airline owned by Dr. Kwame Despite and Dr. Ernest Osei-Sapong, is in the race of securing the bid to make the Ashanti Airline Ghana's official airline. There have also been reports alleging that the Baby Jet Airline, which was an airline proposed by Ghana's football legend Asamoah Gyan back in 2017, would be partnering with the Ashanti Airline, strengthening its position as Ghana's preferred flag carrier by investing $28 billion, which hasn't been confirmed, and the amount in question is insanely huge. Hence, confirmation is awaited from Asamoah Gyan on this reportage. But the Ashanti Airline is poised to operate in Ghana and has almost secured the full license to operate and partner with the government. I made a detailed video on the Ashanti Airline's development. Click the link above for a more detailed information about the Ashanti Airlines operations in Ghana. Now, with the government in search for an airline to represent Ghana, there have been several airport rehabilitation projects going on in Ghana as well. The Tsunami Airport, which had been closed to traffic since 2015, making it 7 years since its closure due to the poor state of infrastructure and other air safety concerns like the cracks and potholes that had developed on the runway and a plethora of problems that just couldn't be addressed at the time, led to the project being rendered ineffective and hence closed. It has now been reopened after the government completed the first phase of the renovation project. This means the airport can now host medium-sized aircrafts. Therefore, commercial flights from Accra to Tsunami have officially been activated, and flights to Tsunami from other operational regions are being planned out, with phase 2 of the project scheduled to also follow suit, which would boost domestic air travels in Tsunami, making it a hotspot. The Kumasi International Airport is an expansion of the already existing Kumasi Airport into an international one. There was an expansion of the runway and the creation of a new terminal as well. The aim of this is to boost trade and tourism in the region, and would also be beneficial for passengers flying in from all over the world directly to Kumasi, as they have to land in Accra before proceeding to the city, which the Kumasi Airport expansion project aims to solve. The first phase of the project was carried out in 2014, with the second and last phase expected to be completed by August this month. The president, during the launch of the first phase of the Tsunami Airport project, said this project was 93% completed, which is good news since the Kumasi Airport is a vital part in making Ghana a hub in Africa. Ho Airport. The Ho Airport was built primarily to boost domestic flight activities in the country and foster cross-country integration whilst making flight travel more popular in the region as well. The Ho Airport was completed in 2017, but not until 2021 was commercial flights opened to the airport. This airport is however projected to be fully functional after other domestic airports are launched, making travels from all regions more concentrated and not just flights from Accra and back. Tamale International Airport. This airport, just like the Kumasi International Airport, is being expanded to be able to receive international flights and is important in making Ghana an aviation hub and also a huge part to increase domestic flight activities across Ghana. The Tamale Airport project first phase was started in 2013, expanding the runway to 3.5 kilometers, making it suitable for bigger planes in the quest for international status. In 2016, the first phase was completed and the second phase is scheduled to be completed within this year. The president also stated during the launch of the Tsunami Airport that the Tamale International Airport is 95% complete, adding up to the international ones scheduled to be completed this year. The Wa Airport. This airport was inaugurated after it underwent renovations in 2016. The airport has proved to be an invaluable airport project in Ghana. The Wa Airport is the 5th busiest commercial airport in the whole of Ghana. Its airstrip was a much needed one, since the northern part of Ghana has a huge population that hasn't been adequately remembered when it comes to infrastructure in Ghana. In the year 2021, about 4,696 passengers passed through the Wa Airport, which goes to show its significance in the northern part of Ghana. The Wa Airport has a runway length of 2,000 meters and a width of 45 meters, which supports smaller flights. Hence, it conveys medium-sized aircraft domestically in the country. This airport base is equipped with arrival halls, departure halls, a control tower, staff bungalows, and it also has a proposed site for the construction of new terminals as well whenever the country is ready to expand. This Wa Airport is a much needed airport. The government thought it wise to add to the arsenal of airports in a bid to make Ghana an aviation hub. With these airport projects going on, it's glaring that the government is poised to improve the aviation sector, turning Ghana into a hub for commercial flights all over Africa. The Western region and Central region have both been surveyed and looked at by the Minister for Aviation, as the government insists on plans to bring the aviation sector to the forefront, helping to improve the economic development in Ghana. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like these. Also, check out this video next on how the railway system in Ghana is finally being restored. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.